Here, I want to extract only the first letter from the names. I am giving some sample here. First name Shiva, I am giving yes. Subramaniam, I am giving yes. And you can use the shortcut key Control E. Control E is the shortcut key for flash filling. It will fill it in a flash. In a flash, you will extract the data in some other column. Similarly, the month name, I am giving an example, and I press Control E. It has filling in a flash. In a flash, everything has been separated. This flash fill can be used for separating, combining. So many advantages are available in the flash filling. Anyway, we will see a separate video on the flash fill. And we will see in the next video, the video number 9, the session number 9, where we are going to see the next level of shortcut keys. See you in the next session.